3. By this the electronic chessboard game. Now we will discuss to you the function of our electronic chessboard game. First, the white turn. This green light indicates that the white is on his turn. Now, by the way, this is on a professional game. Now, when I lift a piece, then before the clock turns off, and the black will be Now, before the clock turns off, the professional player should tap the button, and the indicator will be on the black piece. Now, as you can see, the time of the black player already run. So until the black player move this piece. Now, and then when he taps the button, the indicator will turn to the white. That's the feature of the professional game mode.